Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Pharma Walk. In our channel Pharma Walk, we provide a simple walkthrough of pharmacy related topics. So please do like, share and subscribe our channel Pharma Walk. To subscribe our channel, please press the bell icon given below so that you get updates whenever we upload a new video. Today, we are going to see about an interesting topic of bacteriology, that is the structure of a bacterial cell. To define a bacteria are unicellular microorganisms generally found in large groups in our environment. Bacteria belong to the group of prokaryotic microorganisms where they do not have a true nucleus in their structure. Also, the size of this bacteria is in few ranges of few micrometers in length. Now, let us see the structure of a bacterial cell. As you all can see in the diagram, there are various organelles in a structure of a prokaryotic bacterial cell. So, to start with, there is a capsule, a cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, hair like structure called pili, ribosome, DNA, and flagellum, which is a tail like structure. So now in the following video, we will see one by one each of these structures and their function in a bacterial cell. To start with, let us see the outermost covering of the bacterial cell, that is called as a capsule. Capsule is the outermost covering of the bacterial cell meant for the protection of bacteria. Some cells may have a capsule or some bacterial cells may also not have a capsule. Just below the capsule, we have the second organelle in a bacterial cell. It is called as cell wall. Cell wall forms a protective layer in the bacterial cell. This layer of cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. This peptidoglycan determines the thickness of cell wall. Based on the thickness, we have gram positive and gram negative type of bacteria also. The main function of this cell wall is to provide protection and give shape to the bacterial cell. The next structure in the bacterial cell is cell membrane, sometimes also called as plasma membrane. This cell membrane is actually a semi-permeable membrane used to transport the nutrients and metabolites inside the bacterial cell. This cell membrane covers a gelatinous fluid present inside the cell of a bacteria. This fluid is known as cytoplasm. If we want to know cytoplasm, we can divide it into two parts, cyto and plasm. Cyto means belonging to the cell and plasma means plasma like fluid. So, cytoplasm is a gelatinous material or fluid present inside the bacterial cell which provides all the nutrition to the bacteria. Upcoming next we have ribosomes. Ribosomes are also important cell organelle of a bacteria. Ribosomes are called as the site for protein synthesis. Ribosomes contain two parts, 50S and 30S subunit in a bacterial cell, which are responsible for protein synthesis, which in turn are responsible for growth in bacteria. Then we have the most important part of the bacterial cell, that is DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acids, which is a double helical structure present in a bacterial cell. This DNA contains all the genetic information for the functioning as well as the reproduction of the bacterial cell. Some bacteria may have a tail-like structure at the end which is called as a flagellum. It can be a single flagellum or multiple flagella as well. This flagellum or tail-like structure helps in the movement of the bacterial cell in the host. Also So some bacteria have very tiny hair-like structure on their surface, which are called as pili. These pili are hair-like structure present on the surface of the bacterial cell, which have the function of attachment to the host. Very important to spread the bacterial infection in the host. So let us quickly summarize all the structures that we have seen in the bacterial cell, right from the outermost part capsule, cell wall the protective layer, cell membrane the semi-permeable membrane providing nutrition to the bacterial cell, cytoplasm gelatinous nutrition present inside the bacterial cell, ribosome the site of protein synthesis, DNA the master mind having all the genetic information for the reproduction as well as functioning of the bacterial cell, as well as flagellum the tail like structure present in the bacterial cell, and pili the hair like attachment present on the surface of bacterial cell to make the bacterial cell attached to the host. So thank you everyone for watching the video, and as usual please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos and interesting content on pharmacy related subjects. Also do please mention in the comments below the next topic in this series of bacteriology.